So today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
And I got an awesome gift. Okay, we have preheated and it's almost time to grill these delicious ribeyes for the first time. Before I do that, I want to give a shout out. If you want the best dip ever, Uncle Phil's dip is this Boo Monday sauce with sour cream. Mix them both together, perfect dip, delicious. It is Uncle Phil's recipe, our Uncle Phil. So now it's just Uncle Phil's. Good stuff, great stuff. I didn't have the sound on, so you didn't hear any of that. So we are 3 weeks in.
And 1 week officially until we are traveling full time.
And this part of the day is probably our favorite time of the day. We are walking Finley and really just going around the park.
It's so beautiful here. There's like trees and like, it's just really pretty. It's a nice walk. It's nice and cool.
It is.
We just had dinner.
I probably still have it in my teeth.
Do I?
No, I said I probably do.
Oh, you're looking at it in mine. I'm like, is that why you said it?
Mm.
Like literally all we've been doing is like smoking meat and putting it on like our salads and just a lot. Oh,
This car's moving.
sorry.
So after work today was actually my last day of work. I'm pretty excited, so now I can stay home with the girls for the rest of this trip. But today, while I was down there, I actually got to meet up with Fate Unbound. I don't know if you guys follow them, but they are an amazing couple with 5 animals, and they are cool people. We'll put their link down below, though you probably already know who they are because they're pretty big. Court couldn't go, so they were super kind enough to say hi to her
Give a little
and
shout
make her
out.
feel like she could have been there
Yeah.
for it.
Hi, Courtney.
Hi.
Sorry you couldn't make it. We'd have loved to see you. We're hanging out with your husband Tim here, and you missed Sweetie too. Boo! I'm holding her so she won't do it. Here you go, Sweetie girl.
That was really cool. Like for people that are super popular like that, they took the time to not only talk to you, but
Yeah.
also like take the time to make me feel included, even though I wasn't there. So that was really cool.
Yeah, talking about meetups. Meetups are sweet. So we'll do meetups in the future, maybe, and then see you guys too, because that was
Yeah.
great. That was a good time. Everybody's super
Yeah.
happy, upbeat, smiley. I don't know, it was good.
So we are doing some last minute finishing touches on the RV just to get it travel ready. Our trip consists of a lot of like 1 to 2 day stays, so we might not have the luxury of like being able to have our slides out. So we're gonna try and make it to where we can access everything we want to access with our slides in. Especially figuring out where Finley's gonna sleep, because right now she won't fit with the slides in our bedroom. So we're trying to figure that out. But
That's true. And today I also got the generator from Harbor Freight, the Predator. I think it was a 3200. So now we're going to be able to boondock with full power. That with the solar panels will be set, ready to roll. Yeah, we got cast iron skillets that can actually fit inside the. Look at this face.
hi, Q.
She's giving us the. I think the best part about summertime is getting to go to church in the park.
Yep, it's right on the beach. They're doing baptisms and a potluck just to close out the summer. We haven't been able to make it to an actual service since Finley's been born.
Yeah, we've been watching on the internets.
Yeah, so it'll be fun to see everyone before we move, before we're gone.
Yeah, we're excited. Feel like, there we go, faith is pretty important to us in our endeavors.
Yeah, so it's going to be interesting to see while we're traveling. You're used to you go to church every Sunday, and then when you're traveling all the time, it's like, okay, you don't necessarily have a church home, so how do we like make on the road, like, you know, and still have that
Have the fellowship with other people,
the community and everything like that. So we had a lot of fun. They did baptisms in the ocean, and that was kind of fun. It was super cold though. And Finley was amazing the whole service. Like the entire time she didn't cry at all, which was weird.
Yeah.
But
we could not record in it because they had background music playing the entire time, and they would flag us in a heartbeat with
Yeah.
all of that. So that's why we're talking about it now rather than while we were there. There are no washer and dryers in most RVs. That means we get to take our laundry to either the laundromat, or if they have facilities at any of the RV parks, you can take it to. This particular RV park has them. They're pretty nice, I think. But for the majority of people, I don't think this is a really big issue. For us, we have tons of change. This is change that I've accumulated through the last couple of years. I never really knew what I was going to use it for, and this is a great use. This is a very good use of it.